we got ourselves a new, maybe a brooder. I think it's a brooder for the chickens / quails as well. It's from HatchingTime. So today's episode itself is going to be me putting this together, seeing how it is and seeing how it goes, because we didn't get 1, 2, 3, but we got 4 new chicks. Those majestic Morans that have the what do you call it, the chocolate egg, the chocolate eggs. We got 4 of those. So I need to build this brooder fast. So far there's quite a lot of pieces to this, so I found myself a nice little shady spot under a tree, a nice cool breeze you can probably hear as well for this Alabama heat, and I'll sit around and do this and let's see how long it takes. I'm going to time myself now. We're currently it's 20 past 12. You can probably even hear the girls. It's their lunchtime first. There we go, the girls have now been fed, so they're happy for the time being, at least for another few hours. So now it's time to get back to this. We'll see what it's like, see how long it takes. So right now, at 12:40 p.m, let's see how long it's going to take me to build this thing. Run the timer. And time, exactly 1 hour and maybe 1 or 2 minutes, so not too bad at all. It's now 1:40 p.m, so an hour to build this thing. Now it is like a hardened plastic, this HatchingTime. It's not cheap either, so just to let you know that it is modular. So what that means is that this is level 1. If later on down the track we need more and more brooders, level 2, level 3, level 4, etc., and so on and so on. It does have, and I'll have all the instructions as well in the video, but it does have a watering system up top, which then trickles down and down throughout each particular cage. I can block off these cages as well. So as you can see there, there's 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 1 full cage at the moment. So I can have 1 full brooder like this, or if I wanted to, I can actually segment it out as well and have 3 separate smaller brooders as well. So I like that idea. It does have the heat lamp. However, the heat lamp only goes 3/4 or 2/3, I should say, 2/3 of the way across and not all the way across. So that there, I thought, that's a bit strange, but it's okay. It's that way they get away from the heat if they don't need the heat itself as well. So let's be honest, this is South Alabama. Technically at the moment they don't need the heat, but anyway, yeah, not bad. It is on casters on wheels. It wasn't too hard to put together. If it clicks and fits, leave it be. Basically, that's all I'm going to say in regards to that. Everything is modular, so it actually fits in where it should fit in. Don't put square plugs in round holes, that sort of thing as well. So not too bad. I'm going to try and find a spot for this now, and then put the brand new chicks, the 4 of them, in here and see how they go. So where to put it now? Where to put it?
Flowers to bloom in my chest, light in the dark, embers burning from dusk till dawn. I'll be by your side, like diamonds and moon. 'Cause all I ever want is you.
We don't just build the chicken brooders and boxes and stuff as well. We've also got the feed to do too. So this is a little feed run I did. We've got some duck feed itself. I've got the chicken layer pellets. I've also got the quail feed, and then I've got the minerals for the goats and also some little treats for them as well. So straight after I do this, I'm going to treat the goats with a little bit of things that they've actually never had before. So we'll see what they're like. Meanwhile, don't you love it when the bag opens in one go like that too, which is kind of rare for me. So we'll see how things pan out. I like to put the whole bag in, open it up, put the whole bag in so the actual dry feed itself can stay dry within the bag. So that's the way I like it. Oh, yeah, two times. Also, I'm changing up now as well because our bigger quail, they can come off the starter feed, which has got 30% protein and a high-end protein. This one here is the game bird maintenance crumble itself. They go from 30% down to 14% protein itself. They don't need the extra protein once they've grown out, which those girls and boys have now grown out. So I'll mix though, I'll do it slowly. I will mix the 30% with the 14% on each feed for the time being until they get used to back down to the 14. And they always use this a game bird too. The quails are a game bird, much like a turkey and a pheasant. Have you ever been a pheasant plucker? Come with me now, I'll give the girls some of these. Snacks for goats of all ages. There are snacks for goats, but they're mature only. This one here, all ages. They're in a small chewable tablet form. Apple flavour itself as well. There's either apple flavour or licorice flavour. I went with the apple flavour for the time being, just for my own benefit because the aniseed on my fingers. At the same time, also have all of their, or extra, not more of their minerals. So I've got to go and pour their minerals in as well. So where'd they go? I don't even know where they went. They were just complaining before, but now I'm going in, they're not complaining anymore. They're going to sit there now and eat the selfie stick that you're on. Meanwhile, here's the minerals. This is a little mineral dish that I've got for them. And just top up their minerals as well. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. So, there you go. Top up your minerals. Your minerals are topped up. Go have a look. See, look. See? All right, let's see how they go with these little treats now that we got for them. I'll give a couple first to see how they go. You want some treats? Yeah. What's this? What's this? Ow! Get down here. What's this? Oh, it's a no to the treats. I'll put them in with their minerals and see how they go from there. No more. Here. No? 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 Louise is having some minerals. Oh, and we're being joined by some ducks. Let's see if these ducks like these treats. I bet you they do. There you go. There you go. They really do. Enough of the treats for the ducks, because they are treats only. Treats, girls. Meanwhile, what are you two doing? There you go, they needed some minerals. Alright. Is that going to be enough for today? I built a brooder. We got new girls, we got new chickens. We got new chickens. Goats are very cool like that in terms of they know exactly what they need and how they need to get it too. So when it comes to their minerals in terms of salts and magnesium and like carbonate soda, all that sort of stuff as well. Whenever they need something like that, literally their body just goes, go and eat that. They can smell what they need, they eat what they need. And that's what the mineral bucket is here, is for those sort of things too. So there you go. Meanwhile, I'm going to leave this video right here because it's been a big day. Thank you all for joining me. Don't forget, like, subscribe, do all those sort of things as well. And this is Craig from ShellBee Homestead. Oh, guess what? I'm going to see you around like a goat risole. I'm joking. I'm joking. Come on, let's go. Let's go.